Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Gursimran Kaur, your maths teacher. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. In this video, we will do the exercise 8.2 of Introduction to Trigonometry of class 10. Now, let us start with the question number 1. Evaluate the following. First part is sin 60 degree, cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree, cos 60 degree. These type of questions are really simple. You only need to remember the values of these, which I have told already in the last video, which was a table of trigonometric ratios of 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree and 90 degree. Now from that table, you need to learn that table, put the values, you will get the answer. Sin 60 degree, the value of sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Multiply cos 30 degree, the value of cos 30 degree is also root 3 by 2 plus the value of sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Multiply cos 60 degree 1 by 2. Now multiplying root 3 multiply root 3 is 3, 2 multiply 2 is 4 and these multiplying 1 by 4. Now 3 plus 1 4 and 4 cancel out and it gives 1. Next part, 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Simple question. If you have the angles as 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree or 90 degree, you know the values. So directly put that values. 2, the value of tan 45 degree is 1 whole square plus the value of cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 whole square because the question has square minus the value of sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2 whole square. Now solving the equation, 1 square is 1, 2 multiply 1 is 2. Root 3 multiply root 3 by 2 multiply root 3 by 2 is what? 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 2 multiply root 3 by 2 3 by 4. These two cancel out. You can directly write 2 or you can take the LCM and solve it and it will be 2. Now next part is cos 45 degree by secant 30 degree plus cosecant 30 degree. Put the values. The value of cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2 and secant 30 degree is 2 by root 3 because it is opposite of cos 30 degree. Now plus cosecant 30 degree is 2 because it is the opposite of reversal of sin 30 degree which is 1 by 2. So is equal to taking the LCM root 3 in the denominator 2 plus when I will take the LCM it will get multiplied here 2 root 3 is equal to, now this denominator will go upward and this will go in the denominator. Root 3 becomes the numerator. Root 2 multiply 2 plus 2 root 3. Now this is an equation. I have multiplied root 2 with the bracket 2 root 2 plus root 2 multiply root 3 is root 6. Now I need to rationalize this to solve the root parts in the denominator. How we do the rationalization? Multiply with the same equation with the opposite side. So I have take minus here. Now multiplying root 3 with this whole bracket 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 and this became the formula a plus b, a minus b. So the answer is a square minus b square. So a is 2 root 2, 2 root 2 square minus b is 2 root 6, 2 root 6 whole square. Now solving this, multiply root 3 with the bracket 2 root 3 multiply root 2 is root 6, 2 root 6 minus 2 root 3 multiply root 6 is root 18 and solving the denominator 2 multiply 2 is 4 and root 2 multiply root 2 is 2 and 4 into 2 is 8 minus 2 multiply 2 is 4 and root 6 minus root 6 multiply root 6 is 6 and 4 into 6 is what? 24. So 2, if I take common in the bracket root 6 minus root 18 and in the denominator it is minus 16. Now 2 and 16 will get cancelled and the denominator will remain minus 8. If I need to write bigger roots in smaller versions, I need to take the factorization. So after taking the factorization of 18, it is when there are two digits, we take it as 1, right? And when there is one digit, we take it as under root. So 3 under root 2. Now this was the minus, so making it plus 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. Next part, fourth part, sine 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosecant 60 degree by secant 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. Putting the values you need to learn from the table. You only need to learn the row of sine and the rest you can find out automatically. Now firstly I have put this value simply. Now taking the LCM, 2 root 3 in the denominator and taking the LCM, root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4. Here also taking the LCM. Now these two get cancelled out and this is root 3 plus I have written these and these. Now root 3 plus 2 root 3 is what? 3 root 3 minus 4. 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 4 plus 3 root 3. Now to remove this root, I need to rationalize 4 minus 3 root 3 and 4 minus 3 root 3. Multiply and divide the numerator and denominator by these. Now multiplying these, firstly 3 root 3 multiply 4 is what? 12 root 3. 3 root 3 multiplying minus 3 root 3 is what? 3 multiply 3 is 9 and root 3 multiply root 3 is 3 and 9 into 3 is 27 and there is minus sign, so minus 27. Now multiplying this with whole bracket this, minus 4 multiply minus 4 is minus 16, minus 4 multiply minus 3 root 3, minus and minus when we multiply it becomes plus 4 multiplying 3, 12 root 3. Similarly in the denominator we have made the formula a square minus b square. 4 square is 16 and 3 root 3 square is 27. Now solving the part, here minus sign is in the denominator, so I have written like this, 43, the minus sign of 43 becomes plus and the plus sign of 24 root 3 becomes minus. Next part, 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 secant square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. 5 multiply the value of cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 multiply value of secant 30 degree is 2 by root 3 whole square minus the value of tan 45 degree is 1 whole square. Putting the values in the denominator also. Now multiply and 5 multiply 1 by 4 is 5 by 4. 4 multiply 2 by root 3 multiply 2 by root 3 is what? 16 by 3 minus 1 multiply 1 is 1. 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Root 3 by 2 multiply root 3 by 2 is 3 by 4. Now taking the LCM. The LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So at 4 table 12 is coming at third position. 3 multiply 5 15 plus 12 is coming at fourth position in third table. So 4 multiply 16 is 64 minus 12. Simply LCM I have taken. Now in the denominator it is becoming 1 only by cancelling out. So answer is 79 minus 12 by 12 which is 67 by 12. Now the second question. Choose the correct option, justify your choice. First part is 2 tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Solve it simply by putting the value. Multiply 2 with 1 by root 3, 2 by root 3, 1 plus 1 by 3 by taking the square. Now LCM, take the LCM in the denominator, 3 plus 1 by 3. Now taking it above, 2 root 3 multiply 3 becomes in the numerator and 3 plus 1 4 which is in the denominator. So this multiplying I have got 3 by 2 root 3 because 2 and 4 get cancelled and it becomes only 2. Now I have done the rationalization to remove the root. So after rationalizing, it is 3 root 3 by 6 and cutting 3 and 6 root 3 by 2. Now check which option has the value root 3 by 2. Sine 60 degree. The value of sine 60 degree A part is the answer because the value of sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. This is the way you can do these questions. Second part, 1 minus tan square 45 degree upon 1 plus tan square 45 degree. Put the values. This is simply becoming 0 and 0 is D option. Now third part, sine 2A is equal to 2 sine A. I need to prove whether this is true or false. This is true. They have given that sine 2A is equal to 2 sine A is true only when this equation is equal. At 0 degree, start with the first option. Left hand side, sine 2A is equal to sine 2 multiply 0 because A I have taken 0 for the first timing. Sine 0 degree is equal to 0. Now right hand side, 2 sine A, 2 sine 0 degree. Multiply the value of sine 0 is 0. 2 multiply 0 is 0. So I have got the answer at first position only. I don't need to do the rest. The answer is 0 degree. At 0 degree, these two are equal. Now fourth part, 2 tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. Put the values, take the LCM. Now this similar 2 root 3, 3 goes in the numerator and 3 minus 1, 2 is in the denominator. After doing this, 3 by root 3, rationalize to remove the root in the denominator. The answer is root 3. Which of these has the value root 3? Tan 60 degree, the value of tan 60 degree is root 3. So C option. Now question number 3. If tan A plus B is equal to root 3 and tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3, A plus B is greater than 0 degree, less than equal to 90 degree and angle A is greater than B, find A and B. You don't need to see these much. Only simply take the equations. Tan A plus B is equal to root 3. Tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. The value of tan root 3 is at tan 60 degree. So I have written this, and 1 by root 3 is at tan 30 degree. Now at both sides I have tan. I can cancel these, right? I can cancel the A plus B is equal to 60 degree. A minus B is equal to 30 degree. Now solving these equations, firstly adding 2A is equal to 90 degree, 2 in the denominator 45 degree. Now again subtracting. When we subtract, we take opposite signs. Here it was plus and I need to take minus, and here minus, so I need to take plus. Here it was plus, I need to take minus. 2B is equal to 30 degree. B is equal to 30 degree by 2, which is equal to 15 degree. Now question number 4. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. First part is sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. This equation is false. How it is false? Because if I take A is equal to 60 degree and B is equal to 30 degree and solve the left hand side, sin A plus B, that is sin 60 degree plus 30 degree, which is equal to sin 90 degree, and the value of sin 90 degree is 1. Now taking the right hand side, sin 60 degree plus sin 30 degree, the value of sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2 and sin 30 degree is 1 by 2, and the answer is this. These two are not equal, so this equation is false. Now second, the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. This is true because we have done from the table. The value of sin 0 is 0. At 30 degree is 1 by 2, which is 0.5. At 45 degree it is 1 by root 2, which is 0.7. At 60 degree it is root 3 by 2, which is 0.86. And 90 degree it is 1. Means the value of sin theta is increasing as the theta increases. So this is absolutely true. Now the third part, the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. This is false, because you can easily see if you have learned the row of value of cos. At 0 degree it is 1, then 1 by 2 it is decreasing. So value of cos theta decreases as theta increases. Now fourth part, sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. This is false because only at 45 degree the sin 45 degree and cos 45 degree are equal, which is 1 by root 2. At every other value they are different. At sin 30 degree, if I take, it is 1 by 2, and cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, which is not equal. So this is false. Fifth part, cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0 degree. This is true because cot 0 is cos 0 by sin 0, which is 1 by 0, and 0 in the denominator is not defined. I have completed with exercise 8.2 in this. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment section. Thank you, viewers. In the next video, we will start with the introduction of exercise 8.3.